Being able to read musical notation is useful for musicians. It means we don't have to memorize every piece of music we want to play. When we get a new piece, we can play along with other musicians straight away. Music is made up of long sounds and short sounds. We call the length of the sound the duration.
When we learn to read musical notation, the shape of the note tells us how long to play. There are a lot of different shapes of notes, but we are going to look at the semibreve, minim, and crotchet. The semibreve lasts for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The semibreve has a round note head and is not colored in.
The minim is a 2-count note. It also has a round note head which is not colored in, but also has a stem. 1, 2.
The crotchet is a 1-count note. Its note head is colored in and it also has a stem. 1.
The shape of the note tells us how long to play a note, but it doesn't tell us which note to play.
Music has high sounds and low sounds. This is called the pitch of the note. We show the pitch of the note by using the musical stave.
The musical stave has 5 lines and 4 spaces. Notes can be written on the lines with the lines going through them, or written in the spaces between the lines.
At the beginning of the stave we have a clef, which tells us which notes go on the lines and spaces. There are different types of clef, but we are going to use the treble clef. Sometimes the treble clef is called the G clef because it wraps itself around the G line.
To help us work out the notes in the spaces, we just need to remember face. F, A, C, E.
To help us remember the notes on the lines, we need to remember a rhyme. Every green bus drives fast. E, G, B, D, F. Some of the notes we play on brass instruments are lower than the notes we have on the stave. If we want the note D below E, we have to put it just below the bottom line, in what we call the first ledger space. If we want a low C, we have to draw an extra line to put the note on. This line is called a ledger line.
There is a lot to remember there, but we will learn as we play our next series of pieces.